What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can clear cache in Chrome. Clearing the cache in Google Chrome can enhance browser performance and resolve loading issues. This process removes stored images, files, and cookies, freeing up space and ensuring you see the most up-to-date content. Follow these few simple steps to refresh your browsing experience effectively. So first, open up your Google Chrome browser on your device, and once you open it, you can go ahead and click on the three dots on the upper right corner. And from here, go ahead and click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Now here, go to Delete Browsing Data. Another window will pop up showing you information about your browsing data. So here we have two tabs. We have Basic and Advanced. So for Basic, you can delete your browsing history, cookies, and other site data and cached images and files. And also for the time range, you can select the range of the time that you want to delete these data. So you have the option of last hour, the last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Now when you go and click on Advanced, you will have more options. So for this one, you will have browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images. Also here, you can delete your passwords and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site settings, and hosted app and data. So the time range is still the same. We have last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, and last 4 weeks, and all time. Now, once you made your choice, you can go ahead and click on Delete Data, and your cache will be cleared. So there you have it, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.